バラタックバラタック大きな声でバラタックみんなが言ってばバラタック俺はロボット言葉は出ないが体に流れる正義の力行くぞ悪党怒りの一撃クレイビーム大空海原火の底までも変身赤い突き進む俺はバラタック超人先輩バラタック
Hello, good evening, good morning.
This Time Bull channel is only once after purchase. I would like to introduce a toy that was opened and sealed immediately. It is released by CM's Corporation in December 2010. Brave Alloy. This is Chaojin Sentei Barattack. Now, before introducing the toy, let's briefly explain Barattack. Fukun, please explain.
Oh got it, count on me. Chaojin Sentei Barattack, on TV Asahi every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 6:25 p.m. from the 3rd of July, 1977 to the 26th of March, 1978 for a total of 31 episodes was broadcast. This is the third installment of the main Robo Toy series, following Steel Gigant main Robo Gakeen. While Gigant Gakeen are operated by a pilot who combines with a robot, Barattack is controlled remotely by telepathy from a command plane. 5 young psychics combine their psychic powers to control Balattack. If even one of the 5 members is missing, he will not be able to use his true maximum power. The story is also unique. It's not a serious story like Jig or Gakken. Although there are battles and hardships, the story is comical until the very end. In fact, the subtitle of the final episode is "That's a Wrap." It was an anime that rushed from the beginning to the end with a comical flow.
As usual, let's start by observing the box.
Oh, that's a really bulky box.
Of course, the box contains all of his Balattack weapons.
The title had something like the worst toy in it. Judging from the photo on the box, that doesn't seem to be the case.
Oh dear, don't rush, we'll see. Let's unbox it.
It's a cheap manual that looks like a color copy for home use.
I think they lowered the cost in those areas and enriched the content.
I see. There are a lot of parts that haven't even been taken out of the bag.
So let's take it out.
I saw the video. It's a decent product and I didn't find anything strange about it.
Now, let's take a look at some of the scenes that were cut from the video. Well, the magnetic force is too weak like this, so he can't do cool poses, and even when he's standing upright, he falls over with the slightest shake. The magnetic force is particularly weak on the thigh parts, so was there anything that could be done about it? I bought a figure stand and tried posing it. But as you can see in the video, it didn't work.
If it's bull, you can change the magnet or do other things, right?
What? If it's a plastic model or a garage kit, I'm sure you'll agree. This is a toy that is meant to be modified and improved by the customer. It doesn't say anything like that on the box. That would be the worst. No matter how high the modeling quality is, no matter how good the weapons and pre-value are, he shouldn't have something like that happen to him, right?
Well, got it. In short, the build quality is good. It is also very nice that there are many parts such as weapons. But why can't I pose? Will it come off and fall down quickly? It's frustrating. Does it match?
Yes, that's right. It's a shame that it has so much pre-value and high quality, but it's not up to the quality of a toy. That's why I introduced CM's Corporation's Barattack this time. CM's Corporation, which sold Brave Alloy Barattack, is now out of business and Brave Alloy Barattack is no longer in print. From Evolution Toys, he sells a dynamite action Barattack with enhanced magnetic force and thigh parts. Although he doesn't change type, he seems to be able to do some action poses.
In this program, we will not only be talking about toys, but also things that we find interesting. We are distributing videos from Japan with the hope of disseminating various things that we find interesting. I would be very happy if you could subscribe to the channel or cooperate with me by clicking good. We also look forward to hearing any comments you may have. Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.